Inspect the EPG valve and the air duct. Okay. Loosen all the screws on the valve chamber cover. Okay. Remove the valve chamber cover, the exhaust pipe of the diesel cylinder head cover, in the crankcase ventilation pipe, the inspection plate beneath Chen Yafei's manuscript. Rotate the flywheel to the 0-point mark. This is the top dead center mark of the camshaft, between the two marks of the bearing. Loosen the screw of the camshaft damper. Remove the screws on the cover of the timing gear. Use a wooden stick to pry the rod on the straight gear. Loosen the cover of the timing gear at an angle. Now remove the camshaft damper. Now you can remove it and officially start the job. This is done to prevent the camshaft damper from damaging the crankcase ventilation mechanism inside the official cover. Remove the stud bolt in front of the VB valve. Chen Yafei was fined. Take another look if necessary. To prevent the piston from falling off the exhaust valve rocker arm, we need to install a bomb on each exhaust valve rocker arm. Loosen the screws on the rocker arm shaft uniformly to avoid bending of the rocker arm shaft. Special tool 998255 has been installed. Use the tool to remove the rocker arm. When removing the cross bridge, make marks on each bridge wall beforehand to avoid confusion during installation. Make marks between the camshaft gear and the adjustable timing gear. Also make marks between each camshaft bearing and camshaft journal. Evenly loosen all screws fixing the camshaft. Assemble special tools 998658 and 998659. Use these special tools to remove all camshaft bearing caps. Remove the camshaft using the appropriate tool. Remove all bearing seats with a rubber mallet. Inspect the mounting bracket of all individual pumps. For Lucas individual pumps, use special tools 990006 and 990013 to remove them. Bosch individual pumps should be removed using the special tool 998511. To demonstrate the disassembly and assembly methods of different individual pumps, we have installed a Bosch pump on this